यहाँ पे मेहमानों को भगवान कहा जाता है, जो कहीं से आता है नहीं, जो कहीं से भी आता है वो यहीं का हो जाता है, राइट? सो इफ अ पर्सन who is migrant, he must be from here only. So nationalizing them is absolutely okay. This is fantastic, right? Guys, I want today this debate should be very gusawwal wala debate.
Yes, sir.
But without making fish market.
Can you use some little Hindi words? With
No! Dialogue can be spoken, but don't be like that. Otherwise, our lady, we have Anju Daima here, you know. She will speak million words in Hindi language, right? So don't do that. Okay, be very much argumentative.
Yes.
The benefit, see, in debate we should not do, but I'm promoting you to do that because our motive is to build our fluency, guys. When we become angry, we say, anyhow we speak, anyhow we just speak, right? It is like, you know, adding salt into injury. So that is why it's very important to become aggressive, guys. It is very important to become inflammatory pronouncement, guys. It's very important to become really aggressive, guys. So let's be that today. So you people are saying that nationalizing migrants is quite okay.
yes.
And you guys are saying that nationalizing migrants is not okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I start from here or here?
From there.
Here?
From there.
Let's listen to Mr. Samar. He
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Samar Chaudhary, and today we have debate. We should nationalize migrant people or not. So today I am favor and we
I'm in the favor of.
I am in the favor of we should definitely nationalize the migrant people. Why? Because there are some reasons. Guys, do you know one thing? How America become?
How America
How
nahi.
America become a grateful, powerful country in the world just because of migrant people, just because of by giving nationality to other countries' people. How? I'll explain you.
Okay.
Because before before World War,
America, not America.
America used to a Britisher colony, and Christian people were living in America. But during the World War, when the Hitler started flee away to Jewish people, you know,
Not
Yahudi
flee
people.
or repatriate.
No, sir. When the Hitler start flee away from Germany to Yahudi people.
No, so you cannot say that flee away too. We can say exile here.
We can. Okay, sir.
Huh? When
No, actually,
When Hitler started
I
exiling.
wanted to say, sir, the Hitler was starting killing to
Okay.
Yahudi people,
Oh.
Christian people.
And then?
Then those people started
Fleeing away, fleeing away.
from Germany, and they
Oh.
went to America.
America. Yeah.
And America accepted them. America gave
America gave them
nationality.
nationality.
Migrant people.
And these Yahudi people
And this Yahudi people made
America-
America great.
Yeah.
Because whatever the billionaire and scientist, those are people comes from America. I can give you example of Albert Einstein. He is the great scientist, and he's
Exactly.
Yahudi. He's comes from America.
Oh.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah.
He is the founder of Meta. He's also from America. He's Yahudi people. And Larry Page, he's the founder of Google. So why America become grateful today? Just because of migrant people. Earlier, Christian people used to live in America.
But
But
now?
when they moved, I mean Christian people in America, then America become great.
America
And
became
Robert Oppenheimer, he made atomic bomb for America. He's also Yahudi.
Oh my God.
So we should give nationality to migrant people, because we can build our nation as a superpower country.
My
sir.
goodness. I hope you understood that. You are speechless.
No, sir.
Say something.
It means he wants to say that American peoples have nothing to do for their country.
Earlier they had nothing.
Earlier they had nothing. When the migrant people comes, then the America become grateful.
I don't want to go on America. I am here in India. Then I want to talk about India. Okay.
So actually my point is that by giving the nationality to migrant people, we can also make our country great.
That is the point.
This is the point.
Your point is that today our India is not the great country.
Oh my.
You want to say?
Our country is great, but we can hire skilled people. We can give nationality to other countries' people who is
You are
well
not
qualified, skilled. So
you
we
are
can.
not skilled.
You're
In our India, there are so many skilled people
Okay.
who can do that people's work. We don't require them.
Exactly.
Okay.
We do have skilled people here.
We have already skilled people, but
Yeah.
every people have different qualities, sir. So we don't-
Our India's population is
Already.
already over. We have so many people, we have so many types of people, and there are so many types of quality in that peoples.
Okay.
So it is required to know about the quality of our Indian people.
Okay.
This is the time
Exactly.
to know. You should search. There are so many people who have so much knowledge, but we don't know about them. We don't know about that. You should require to know to search them in our country. You don't require to go on other country.
Wow. Don't
Okay.
underestimate the power of India.
Indian.
Yeah.
Because in India both are living. Migrants are also living and Indians is also living. That's why India is great.
How can you
And-
how can you
So
say
you are
that
against-
they all are not Indians?
What I said.
Yeah.
India is great because of Indian people.
India
Because
is
of-
great because of sir is saying this is my point that if our Indians are educated, they have their minds, we should use our mind. If we have what is
I
the
think we should use both mind.
yeah
Because with the help of different mind, we can do everything.
this is my body. My body had only one brain, and I will use my brain for myself. I will if I
Listen,
if
it is,
I will ask
no,
him
you
if
are,
I will
your sentence
help
is very wrong. Let me complete.
No.
Can you do? Can
Let me complete. He asked a question. If I gave her money, if I gave her shelter, she will definitely do what I said to her. But it is not okay that she will do what I can do for me. She will not do that. She will never do that.
can you done your operation by yourself? Can you do your operation by yourself?
No, there
That
are so
means-
many doctors in our
That's
country.
why
There are so
everyone
many
is
doctors.
important. That's why.
No.
Sir, actually, my point is that,
from them.
sir, ma'am,
We should not need migrant people.
okay.
Our Indian people need.
Sir, my point is that if Imansu have a quality, he can make any item bomb. So we can hire them. We can give nationality to our Indian.
I should use my brain.
Yes, I should use my
But sir,
mind.
he
na?
has
why
already
dependent
thoughts,
any
sir.
other people?
He has already thoughts. So what is the problem? We can hire them. We can give nationality to him. So that we can easily make great.
Give me mic, please. Hiring someone is other thing. Nationalizing someone is other thing. If you want to use him, you can hire him. Just like in ISRO, we have hired American people also. Yes. Nationalizing doesn't make sense. Nationalizing doesn't. Like you were saying, he has thought, he can do it. So we can hire him. We will pay him. Yes.
They will work for
Of course they will work. Like in ISRO, there are so many American people working. In NASA, many Indians are working. So they are working on the basis of salary. If you want to grow this country, you can hire somebody, and after analyzing his quality, we can build our quality. Thank you so much.
Sir, if I will give national,
You
sir.
make your family member. If you need any person 1-2 day work, you make your family member.
Ma'am, what I am saying, we should give nationality to quality people, because if I give nationality to Elon Musk, so he will, when he will become the person of our country, so he started paying tax to our country, paying tax, so our country can become, sir, great.
Okay.
If we do not give him
He make
nationality,
everything,
so he is not
high
ready
like,
to giving tax to our country, sir. So it is good, sir.
talking about migrants.
Only migrant.
Yes. We are not talking about, give nationality to Donald Trump, Elon Musk. They are not migrants, first of all, you need to understand. What kind of question are you making?
Sir.
Your nationality, of course.
They have their own nationality.
Exactly.
They don't-
And they are the richest people. Their world is theirs. The world is theirs. दुनिया ही उनकी है. Because they are richest. They are the richest.
Sir, listen to me. America give Osama bin Laden give shelter. What he do? He crashed the aeroplane in America.
Trump Tower.
So why I believe a migrant people? Tell me. She already said na she is against of population.
Yeah.
Osama bin Laden he decreased population. She already said he.
that is not the point. He mentioned about
If we want to decrease population, then we will.
You said that.
नहीं Osama bin Laden. This is a good point. First of all, right?
Why I believe migrant people? Why I give nationality of migrant people?
Yes. They are danger for us.
Yeah, they can dangerous for us.
But you are work for the hazardous factory. You are work.
No.
Do you work in hazardous?
Do you work for
No, I
hazardous?
don't work.
But whose people work for hazardous factory?
In
That's
India,
why
in
you
India,
are work for the you are work for the cheap price labor.
no,
you
tell
are
me
work.
what about in India Pulwama attack and Delhi Red Fort attack and Pahalgam?
Security, our
This is other point. That is other point.
Other
The point is hazardous.
hazardous factory. Who is the person work at?
In India, there are lot of people.
India, he is not. Okay, no problem.
Exploitation cannot be become eligibility of the nationality, okay? And if you are working in hazard factory, then it a fault of our labor law that it give not be provide the security, did not provide the safety and security insurance and other things.
Okay, okay, no problem. But he is working for the labor working. It's not top labor management. Top labor management working for the in our country. And I am who is a person that nationality is provide. Who is a person working for a lower level, not a top level. Top level management is working for our nation, our national.
Easy language. They want to use migrants for hazardous factories.
Sir, I see na that.
Sir, there are so many people who needs money who can do anything.
No,
Only for food. In India, there are so many.
Poor people.
If we
Okay,
will
no.
walk on the road, we will see so many people are
your
sleeping
perception
on
is
the
very
roadside.
totally wrong. You are going for the outside.
Yeah.
He is sleeping for the roadside. To you say that only work to yourself. He is not work, but he is a हाथ लगे मांगते
He will make.
He will make
How
for give me
will-
money, but not working for yourself.
There are so many laborers who are working in their companies. So these companies are working. They will the companies will close. We have so many people. We have so many people who will do this for money.
But India have many of the population already have. But
So poor people will work in
Only, sir,
but
my
poor-
point.
but sir, many other people is not working.
Only for food.
But many other people not
Only
work.
for food.
Sir,
They will work. They will work.
Sir.
Because they need job.
They need food,
Sir,
sir.
yes,
Only for
sir.
food. So many people.
Sir,
who are
ma'am, there are many companies in our country, and our Indian people working over there are working over there, and they are getting infected by many disease like dama, kidney failure, asthma, and all the things. So with the help of these people, I mean detention camp people, we can replace them.
We should need to do something for that people. We should require to improve our safety of precautions.
If his government is not responsible for them, then we are not going to taking responsibility of those
medical
people.
faculties should increase.
Exactly, yes. Exactly.
Precautions should increase. We will use masks. We will use something other.
Imagine that if a person is gutter cleaner,
Yeah.
okay, this is hazardous for him. Understood? So for gutter cleaner, we should provide one GCB. We should provide gloves. We should provide actually what we call precautions. But you are saying that person should jump into gutter for cleaning gutter. You are very wrong. No, like Parsan told that you should provide safety and security for that humanity and for that human. And you are saying, no, use them, replace them. Are shame on you. Where is your humanity? Where is your humanity? Our India is known by emotion.
Yeah.
India is known by spiritual quality.
Firstly, we should say something. We should think about our Indian people.
Of course.
If we will hire the migrant people, then what about that people who are working there? They will be workless. They will be jobless. Sorry, they will jobless.
Exactly.
Then what about them? What will we do for that?
But many of the people is not working for the ground level work.
Yes. Sir.
I know it.
Ma'am.
बेसिक आप
Of course you can speak. Bhainsiya
Yeah.
My friend have 5 bhainsiya in his home.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And nobody is going to work. He has five buffalo.
Yeah, I have 2 cows at my home.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. He has 5 buffalo in his
Yeah.
home, and nobody is going to work for his buffalo.
Yeah.
And if we go to detention camp and we need to just bring 5 people from there, and they can work for his buffalo, they start
This
take
is
care
totally
him.
pointless.
Okay, and we have to need just give some foods and clothes, and they are innocent, they are useless people. They are not going to debate. We want more money and all the things. So he can also start his dairy business.
Before
So what is the
answering
wrong?
you, I have something. I have 2 cows at my home. And at my home, my mother and father, there are only 2 peoples.
Okay.
And there is a disease by which my mother and also my father, both of them are suffering from it. And they are not able to do any type of thing by bend. They can't bend. They can't bend. It is called survival. Cervical. And I said that I have 2 cows at my home and 1 calf from 1 cow. And we had only 1 people. Only 1 people, and he work at my home. And he also work as a labor. He can work. My father has a company. He is doing, and he also help in that place in his work.
How much money does he charge?
doing the dairy
one second. यहाँ पे point क्या है? Point
Let me complete.
What amount
Let
you
me
will pay
complete.
that person?
Let me
How
complete.
much money does your father pay to him?
I think 5,000 to 6,000.
We don't
It
have
is-
need to pay this money.
If my father has own work and he is earning by this work, then how do you say that he should not pay? He should not pay. If we are taking something, if you are hiring their margin people, you will give them food, you will give them shelter, and we can't trust them. We can't trust them because they are not trustable. And we trust them. We trust that people because he is belong from
To my area. Very nice.
From my area.
And it's a matter of feeling proud
Yeah,
that
and
at least she
we
has employed one person.
We are giving them employment.
Exactly. But maybe that person is from
Employment.
underprivileged family.
Understand, brother. Understand, unemployment is very very basic thing which need in our country, that we should give them employment. We should give
Exactly.
them,
Everybody should give on employment. We can eradicate
we
the
are
poverty.
suffering from unemployment.
Same work in
Excuse me.
few rupees.
Hiring migrant doesn't
If I will fire him from this job, then what will he do?
But what do you the
What will he do? He will go here and there. He will go here and then. And
Excuse me, ma'am.
You are saying that I will give this to that people who is not belong from my country. This is totally emotionless.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to ask a question. Excuse me.
Yeah?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you believe in God?
Yeah, I believe in God.
If any unknown people come at you and ask for a food and some money,
Yeah.
are you give them or not? Will you give them or not?
Yeah, I will. Of course, I will give them.
Okay. The unknown people who came from another country.
Yeah.
Okay. And he is front of you. He is standing front of you.
Yeah.
You don't know who is this.
Yeah.
Who is that person?
Yeah.
And he asks money or he asks food. You give them.
I will not
you will give
him
them or not?
money. I will give him only food.
Only food?
Yeah.
Why? You don't check
In
the Aadhaar card.
humanity, in
Humanity,
charity.
na?
Yeah.
So that's why our India's people.
I will give him food, not nationality.
No, no, no.
I will give
No, no,
him
no.
food, only food,
No,
not
no.
nationality.
Nationality
I will not
and
give him
another
nationality.
point.
Yeah.
If at the border
Yeah.
we are we are just firing at Pakistan.
meaningless point.
Why, sir?
Yeah, you have not raised.
Why, sir?
She is talking
We-
with emotional and we try to use
One
them.
point.
Our India is known as.
Listen.
Not
Arey, wait.
not talking about
ठीक है. Himanshu, if anybody comes at your home and says, I want to stay at your home forever, will you give your own room to him?
No.
Please tell.
No, sir.
No, na.
Not my home, sir.
Your room. Okay.
Not in my room.
So your home is your country.
I check the.
Your
Aadhaar card.
country is your home.
Yeah.
Your country is your home. Why are you giving room?
Listen,
I check the national.
Then too you cannot give room.
Sir,
Kittu.
by giving migrant people nationality of our Indian, nationality of India, we can create the image of in the world. That every country trust on India, that they can increase the productivity of India, because they think this is that person is go from our country, and the Indian peoples are very humble and polite, or
Kind-hearted?
kind-hearted. They accepted it by heartily. So it's
For this credit, you.
Sir, he said, by growing population, when we will give them shelter, after that we will go another country for this thing. For food, you know.
They want to make us bigger.
Yeah.
No, sir.
After giving them, we will
if
go.
they will leave, na, sir.
Yeah, we have to go another country for searching food.
He don't care about our family, give nationality other people.
Listen to her what she said. What she said.
He said that, they will say we are like that time. I said that when we will give them shelter, after that in our India already population is increasing.
Sir, what is the meaning of shelter?
Like Sarad.
Why
After
you
that
should
we
give
will,
shelter? Why you should give shelter? With the help of
you are saying,
No.
you are person saying
No, I
you
think-
should give
We should nationalize. We should nationalize him, because with the help of migrant people, we can become more great. India is great, but with the help of migrant people,
we will become great later. First we will become population first will come, after
we
that
can control. For example,
how can you control?
Yeah,
They
yeah,
are
we can
unaware.
listen.
They don't have any types of
In the company, hazardous work is in factories, hazardous works going on, and so many Indian people were die. Okay, so in that place we are using them the
other countries people, after the nationalizing them, we can use them easily. And
If
so-
you want to use them in hazardous company, you should use them. No anyone who is refusing you to use them, but don't give them nationality. I am only against to give them nationality. There are so many Indian people who are working in other countries. You can hire people from other countries.
what
You
do
will
you
pay.
think? What do you think the nationality is a bad thing?
Yeah.
If we nationalize any people, so
Yeah,
it is a bad
I
thing.
am
How
against-
it is bad thing? Tell me first.
There is no.
How, sir, how?
If there are anything which I don't need, I will do something if I feel that I need this. Then if I feel that I don't need this, then why I will do this?
Exactly. Pujal, let him speak, please. Now.
These all are saying that that America gave nationality to sir what Mukesh Ambani. Okay, so bro, also I'm going to give nationality of Mukesh Ambani. Okay, but today if you are going American are not going to give you nationality, and they are not going to accept that you cannot stay here forever. Okay. If you are going some other country, then you need to go with visa and passport and for certain time. Okay. So if anybody like also one lady came in India like Mother Teresa. That types of lady if would come in my country, I am always welcoming like that types of person. Because you are saying that it means let them come if anybody is come. Then why not? Sure.
No, you are wrong.
Sir,
But how to
sir,
judge
one
it?
thing.
How to judge
How to understand inner potential?
Yeah.
How can you know?
Many of the people is
Sir?
skilled. Many of the people is
Talented.
Okay, but we are saying that we should give nationality. Okay,
But
we are
all
not.
people is not talented and skillful person.
Hey
How
bro,
to
that's
judge
why.
it?
That's why I'm
How to
saying.
know that he is
Very
having
talented.
potential.
Yeah.
Sir, that's why I'm saying that we should not give to everyone nationality if anybody is coming. Okay, likewise. From it means Bangladesh people are coming, from Nepal people are coming, from Pakistan people are coming, from China people are coming. It means we should give
Grow the
nationality.
GDP.
It is very good.
You can
They
see
came
that.
because of overpopulation. India's GDP is number 3.
Yeah.
For example, they came from China. No, listen. Let him.
High salary people who are doing the work for America and USA.
They came from other country, and if they are earning 10 rupees, then he will definitely pay 3 rupees GST. So it is very good for our India.
Sir, one thing. These people are talking about GDP. Okay, you can respect other people, but you could not respect on the below who belongs from. It means your home and your hometown. Like there is recently one footballer came in India whose name is Messi. People are, it means, investing too much money, even charging them for a lot of money for coming. But in own country, there is, it means, diamond, it means a very good player whose name is Sunil Chhetri. Sir, world, it means the largest, it means a very famous footballer in world, on the number of third. Okay, we all are not respecting in, it means properly, we are not giving.
It is other.
God
of cricket. God of cricket. But you don't know. In fact, half 1.5 countries in the world, they don't know about us.
First, let me complete, bro. It's my request. You had time to complete at that moment. You could speak, okay? But if I am speaking right now, don't try to interrupt, okay? Let me complete. Sir, you are saying about it. That's why I'm saying there is a lot of, it means a great person in India. We need to respect them like a god of cricket, okay? We need to respect them. But also Sunil Chhetri is also god of footballer for our country, okay?
He's our diamond.
Yes, sir, our diamond, sir. More than our, for we all uranium. And sir, Sunil Chhetri is requesting.
Arvind, if I will give you answer of your question in
Let
one
me
line,
first of all
we can
complete.
use
Hello,
them.
sir, I'm not going to listen. When you were speaking, I was not interrupted and I was not, it means, if I am speaking, let me complete, okay?
Okay.
So, sir, already people are saying that we should, it means pay to money those people who are coming in India, okay? We can pay them. But in India already there is a lot of, it means people are jobless, okay? We are not able to give them job, even we all are struggling, there too much for job, okay? But government are not able to give us a job, then how we will, it means provide them job? And what they will do if we will not able to take
Can you use our India as our Indians people for very bad things like very
Toilet cleaner.
acidic type of thinking?
It means, sir, what a hell, man. What a hell, man. Which type of mindset you have? Sir, the boy is saying that I have to disperse a garbage in my home and I would call to other country that clean my home. You have it means, bro, what?
For very dangerous.
Sir, the boy need to understand, sir. The boy need to understand.
You are a kid actually. You can't have.
Sir, we are child, sir.
Of course.
Sir, so, and sir, you all need to, it means wash your mind, okay? As you are thinking, as I am, it means absorbing in your.
Why are you discriminating first of all?
Sir, I'm not.
You are saying we need to nationalize those people who are skilled enough. It means you are doing discrimination. And how can you examine them? How can you scrutinize them? Their ability, their skill, how can you understand them?
Sir, there is, we all are talking about nationality, we should give them, okay? But when Mother Teresa came in India, at that moment we didn't give them, it means nationality. He worked and he make people believe that I am, it means not wrong.
Why did we give nationality to Seema Haider? Tell me first of all. What is ability and skill of
Also,
Seema
sir,
Haider?
also-
Tell me.
Sir, also I am, it means, I am not accepting this types of
And
thing.
India, you already tell
Huh?
is my family, na? Can you use your family in acidic factory? Because every day when people is dying,
Exactly.
use your family.
Sir, it means, sir, discrimination. The boy is doing.
You are doing discrimination here. You are doing discrimination here.
Sir,
No,
you are ready
every migrant person should be accepted.